Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Four Stars Sudoku number 9085. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 as usual. Yes, 24. Four stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for four stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a four stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3, 4, 5 twos. Let me start right away with the twos. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between. The 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Oh, there we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Oh, well, will be difficult now. All right, let me continue. 5 twos. How about the fours? No, 1 4. 3 fives. 2 sixes. 3 sevens. 3 eights. And 1 9. All right. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 3 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay. Then let me see. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. Well, 3 3 3 3 3. Need a 3 here, 3 there, need a 3 here. Yes, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this one, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the second row, the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. Now, I cannot continue with the 3 now. How about 5, 5. 6, 6, 6. Yeah. 1, 1. Need a 5 here. Need 5 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And now we have a pair, the 5 and the 3 in this column, the 5 and the 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 8, 8, 8. 8. Need 8 there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. No. How about these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this row. No 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Alright, 1, 1, need a 1 here, need a 1 there, need a 1 here, need a 1 there, need a 1 here, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last column for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1, 1. Okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing. Well, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so third row. Only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8. 9 is missing, 6 and 9. 6 and a 9. And here 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. 2, 6, 7. Okay, and now 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only place left is 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, let me see. How about, need a 2 there. And I need a 2 there. And I need a 2 here. What a 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 7 there. I'm thinking. Come on. 5 here. Come on. 6, 9, and need an 8 here. 8. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in this one, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Now I can continue with the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Now I cannot continue with 1. About these 3 missing numbers in the middle row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8, and look, we have 6 and 8 in the middle column, so no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in the middle row for number 5. Alright, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 5. Cube here, cube there. Here we have a 5, here we have a 5. That means in this row, the 5 should be in one of these 3 boxes. And here can be a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can it be a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8 is missing, 6, 8, and then 9 is missing in the second column, 6, 8, and then 9. 6, 8, and then 9, and look, we have a 6 and a 9 here in this row. So no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. So one digit left in the second column for number 8 then. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column. Sorry, in the third column. The only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big, 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in the 9, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column, I believe the 9, yes, correct. The 9. So we need a 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7 here. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left with 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. The only place left with 1 should be there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2, no, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers, 3 and a 5, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. This one is very quick to solve. Quick to solve. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.